What's up guys, and welcome back to another video where tonight I've got a great tip if you're an owner of an LG TV with a magic remote like this. Now, as I'm sure many of you are aware, we have this voice control button just there, and if I press this down and change the input, HDMI 1, the TV will then change the HDMI input. So now what we're going to do, we're going to grab our remote and hold down the inputs button. Now this may be different depending on what model of TV you've got, and we're going to go up to these three dots in the right hand corner. Then we are going to go to Edit and then Edit Inputs. Now we have all our HDMIs lined up there, so 1 to 4, and what we can do is if we want, we can click on, say, HDMI 1, click on that, and we can actually change the name of that HDMI if we wish, or we can actually go to this little icon at the side, and we've got some pre-done ones here. So if I said I want to change HDMI 1, say, to satellite, I could do that. There we go, we press save. But what I'm going to do, just going to change that. I'm going to say HDMI 1, and I'm actually going to change that to something different. So there we go. I've now changed it to The Tech Giant. So obviously you won't do that yourself. You can name it, you know, it could be after a set-top box or whatever it might be. I'm going to simply press save. So I've now taken us back to YouTube, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold down on that voice button, and this time I'm going to say The Tech Giant. The Tech Giant. And there we go. It has now changed that input to what I called it, so the Tech Giant, which is great because you may not remember what device is connected to what HDMI. So, you know, you can name it whatever you want and it just makes it far easier. Now, the great thing about this is if we just go back to, say, YouTube again, now do the voice again, and instead of saying the Tech Giant, this time I'm going to say HDMI 1. And there we go. It still remembers, as we can see there at the side, that it is HDMI 1 and the Tech Giant. And if we just press the inputs button just once, we can see there HDMI 1, the Tech Giant. There you go then guys. Now if you've appreciated that tip, if you could do us a favour and give me a big fat thumbs up, that would be great. And if you've not already subscribed, then please consider doing so. So thanks very much for joining me, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.